recent inter-district meeting in Rusape, Zimbabwe Liberation War Collaborators Association, ZIL, WAC or National Chairman, Operator Garepi made a series of optimistic claims regarding government support for war collaborators while pushing the narrative that President Mnangagwa should remain in office despite widespread dissatisfaction and delays in fulfilling promised benefits. Sabina mashoko buda panguva ino yachionekwa kunzi Togarepi insists Mnangagwa should stay despite growing discontent. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell. Akutibira mnamobile komisi Togarepi announced that a comprehensive housing scheme for war collaborators is in development as part of a broader government empowerment strategy. Yet many remain skeptical about the pace and sincerity of delivery. At one point, representatives from the government had not agreed on a way forward. They were instructed to reconcile their differences, and I can assure you that they have reached an agreement. The document is now with the president, ready for gazetting, Togarepi claimed, without providing a clear timeline. He further expressed confidence in Mnangagwa's leadership, stating, "If he is doing good for us, why should he leave?" This staunch endorsement comes amid growing criticism of the president's extended rule and questions about the country's stalled progress. Highlighting the government's efforts, Togarepi announced plans to launch housing stands for war collaborators, noting that the president has initiated this process, demonstrating his appreciation of war collaborators even before the gazetting of other benefits. He reviewed a $500,000 allocation for related projects, although critics argue this amount is insufficient given the number of beneficiaries and the scope of needs. Regarding land ownership, Togarepi said the Ministry of Lands would provide title deeds to the war collaborators who received farms during land reform program, emphasizing that they will only pay a token amount of land ownership, reflecting their struggle for land rights. However, concerns remain over the slow pace of land formalization and persistent bureaucratic obstacles. Despite the optimistic assurances, the meeting exposed deep cracks and promises made to war collaborators and the public. Togarepi's call to keep Mnangagwa in power ignores growing frustrations with prolonged delays, unfulfilled commitments, and an administration increasingly seen as out of touch with the needs of its people. Domashwa rubuda panguva ino achionekwa kunzi vana Togarepi chito samutkamiri wenyika kuti stay onto power, but panguva ino vachitarisa vachionekwa kunzi mune discontent yakanyanyisa iri kuitika and people they are no longer trusting the process. Chionekwa kunzi even war collaborators panguva ino vari kugunun'una the leadership. Kuna comment section medu zimafunguro aimoti kude pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like achito on the bell.